To check your transaction history on Bittrex, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bittrex website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallets section. Once logged in, locate the Wallets tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your cryptocurrency balances and transaction options. Step 3. Select the Transaction History option. In the Wallets section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or similar. Click on this option to proceed to your transaction records. Step 4. Filter your transactions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your transactions. After applying any filters, review the displayed transaction history. You can view details such as transaction dates, amounts, and statuses for each entry. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Bittrex. If you have any further questions, consider checking the Bittrex support resources for additional assistance.